Hey one, what would happen if you split in half?
I don't know.
Let's go find out then. Hey two, I need you for a second.
Okay.
1. You stand on the left. And 2. You stand on the right.
Is this even gonna work?